Hi guys, we're back and we are doing a Who Can Spot My Dad First. I think I can. Mum, do you think you can spot Dad first?
I don't know. But the guys can only see the floor. That's all they can see.
Guys, there are so many people and we have to find two people. My dad and my brother.
Again, people can only see the floor.
Guys,
Let's go around this way.
this is going to be tough. Do you think I will see Mum first? I mean, my dad and my brother first?
Maybe they're back by the
Or-
other train where we were first. You know, the one that you can go inside of?
Yeah.
Let's go back that way.
Or do you think
Let's go this way
Mum,
round.
my mum can spot my dad and my brother first?
Go this way.
Yeah, let's go back to the train. This is a train where you can go in it.
Oh, I think I see Charlie.
No, you don't.
I think I see him.
Where?
Not on the floor, which is what everyone else can see.
On.
The floor.
Guys, I think my mum won. I think my mum won. No, my mum.
I can see Charlie.
No, my mum won.
Ha ha ha.
No, my mum won. Victory time.
Oh, they're gone again.
I found them.
Daddy's hiding.
I found it.
Found him.